Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the select in React Material UI. So how we are going to use the select one. So there is the options. You can see that this one it is selected. So this is very simple. I have already used this Material UI in our project. So what we have to do is use this select one. Then we have to import the menu item also at the same. We are going to add this one. So all these things you need to import. Without this it can't work, right? So this one, then we have a menu item, then we have an input label at the same. So we are going to add this one. Okay, this select is important, input label and the menu item that is shown below. So you need to just copy this form control and just paste it. See that age handle change is not there. Okay, so we need to define the handle change also. Then there is a handle change and this const. I think we need to use you add the use state also at the same moment. So you react okay, then they have mentioned the react dot use state, otherwise you need to directly add it here use state. Okay, so this is save, I guess. Let's see, no error. Go to this one, so you can see that we have a age 20 something 30. So this is basically, you can see that they have the state is set. You can see that whenever we have a click on change event, then we are setting the event dot target dot value, then it's showing that value, right? So this is basically tutorial on the select. So it's a basic select. Now let's move what we have in the advanced feature like this one. Okay, you can also use with the help of label like this. You can also auto width also small size, then errors like this native. So you can also add this one customization. So I think this kind of select is not like fit something we are not something fit in not into it, right? So what we are going to do next video, we are going to use React select package I have used in my project. So let's go something with the new one that if you are not like if you're single thing that two three drop downs, then it's okay. If we have a large number of records that comes from the API, how you are going to manage it? Let's have a look how we are going to create it in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.